Now, we're gonna go next to see the consequence of this one by one. The first one, 心. We already know this is 心 means heart. Okay. This word. So Chinese characters, when you write, you can see there is a sequence, order, you see? It usually goes from left to right and from top to bottom. So when you write the Chinese character, you see an order. 伤. 伤 means injury, hurt, harmed, right? Okay. Yeah. Next, 骄. 焦 basically means burned. Burned. When you cook an egg, the egg, if you just cook gentle and nice, and it's delicious. But if you overcook it, it will turn into dark and smells horrible, and it's poisonous. When you burn the protein smell is horrible and poisonous. So, you know, when you barbecue, right? Barbecue meat, it's all 焦. American people love to barbecue and with all little like charcoal and turn the meat a little black. It's horrible. Because that burnt stuff is carcinogenic, no good for the body. 焦 is a state that basically means burnt. Okay. Now that terrible smell that come out when things are burnt, this is qi. Qi basically means the air, right? It's a substance that comes out when things are burned, right? So, vapor, right?
Energy.
No. Qi actually is not a true means energy. Energy has multiple levels. This is the lowest form. Qi is the lowest form of matter. Everything has energy. All matter has energy. Qi is a state of matter that our body, if you do not cultivate, just an ordinary human being, your body basically has qi, and the qi usually has sickness qi. That's why here talks about the 娇气. It is a sickness qi. It's a material. It's a material right now modern science hasn't really detected yet. Modern science right now only dissects the molecular world. I believe this qi is not a molecular level substance. It is more microcosmic level existence. Next one is 身. 诗, 恩, 身. 身 means born. Born. Okay. This called comes to being. Born. It's like here, comes into being, right? Comes into being. That's called 身, born. So, let's review. 心, 伤, 焦, 气, 身. The heart is hurt, injured, damaged, harmed. And this burnt air and vapor is born. Okay. So jealous heart, based upon the pursuit of profit and the desire, will lead to the heart to be harmed, and the burnt vapor from the heart, like the heart is burned, burnt vapor will start to rise, and that is the root cause of cancer, I think. I would just say, as a cancer researcher, people who are jealous, if they truly cannot let go of their jealous mentality, and ultimately they will make their heart burn so much that ultimately turning into black substance of that burned ash and smell and vapor. Basically, it's called a suicidal action. Very serious. Jealous is very, very poisonous. It can destroy a person's mind, body, and spirit. That is the foundation of evil. Do you know Jiang Zemin? Why he persecuted Falun Gong? Jiang Zemin persecuted Falun Gong exactly because of 利欲嫉妒心. He wants to eradicate Falun Gong because he was jealous that Master Li had the power to have 100 million students within 7 years of first introduction of Falun Gong. And he, as a CCP leader with all the tactics of CCP, could only have, 75 million followers. So he was super jealous of Master Li. And because of his jealous heart, he decided to crack down Falun Gong and demonize Falun Gong ever since July 20th, 1999. And what happens to Jiang Zemin? After he followed his jealous heart to mobilize all Chinese system of communism to target 100 million wonderful people in China who just want to follow Master Li to cultivate their mind, body, and spirit, and to be good people, and to be better people, and to follow 3 words called truthfulness, compassion, forbearance, 真善人. That's all people want to do, want to be good. But Jiang Zemin want to kill this group of people who want to be good. And he rewards those people who, like him, have 利欲嫉妒心. He encouraged all the 利欲嫉妒心 people to come together for him, work for him to crack down Falun Gong. And that's what's the consequence of it? Morality of entire China was corrupt. One person's jealousy, one person's 利欲嫉妒心 caused entire modern China to be destroyed, leading to entire Chinese people's heart to be burned, harmed, and turned into a burned vapor, and suffer from a social cancer phenomenon. Why? Within the past 3 years, China had 400 million precious lives evaporated, turning into burnt air and gone. 焦. When I see this word 焦, you know what I see? Right now in China, the furnace are burning the dead bodies. That smell of burning protein. Do you know right now this is the main smell of China? It's the 焦气生. Entire China has 焦气 covered. Every day dead body burned. This is all due to jealousy. This horrible disease. The most deadly disease of mankind is jealousy. Jiang Zemin is a very good example we can refer to about 嫉妒心. So, how are we going to be able to recover from this horrible disease of jealousy based upon profit and desire? I'm going to then get into a little bit here. Okay, pause.